Hi. So let's today talk about the AlphaEarth Foundation, okay, which is released in 30th July 2025, and you can find each and every details over there. This is the main website. Just you need to write down over there is AlphaEarth. Okay, just enter and you will find this thing Google DeepMind. Okay, just click on that. Okay, and then you will found this thing, and if you have to check all of these things, then to look at that how many bands are available. Okay, if I'm not wrong, then there is a 64 bands are available. If you want to read all of these things, okay, and there is the visualization and the 3D glue version. Okay, Google embedding field and embedding access and embedding vector, how this data are created. All of these things are included in this website. And if you want to access our satellite embedding data sets, I mean alpha satellite embedding data set, just need to click on that thing, and thus you will find this thing. Okay, it's loading. Look at that. Okay. This is the main interest. At first you have to know how to run the Google Earth engine, and the data set is already available on that Google Earth engine data catalog. Okay, look at that, the data set availability 2017 to 2024, and this is the Earth engine snipped, and you will find description over there. And there is an total 64 band is available. And if you want to know more about details of the band, just click on that bands. Okay, look at that. There's a band, the total band is 64, and 63 is over there because it started from 00. So there is a total 64 band, and the pixel size is over there 10 meter. Okay. And then image properties is also available over there, and these kind of things they are used for this alpha satellite embedding dataset making, and term of uses over there and citation. Okay, if you are using this data, then you have to cite these things. Okay, and then there is an paper I have already downloaded and open it in Google Chrome. The paper name is AlphaEarth Foundation, an embedding field model for accurate and efficient global mapping from space level data. Okay, Christopher V. Brown and Mitchell R. Kazmicki. Okay, there is an more others authors, and there is an abstract introduction, and each and everything is over there. Okay, you can read. You can also use machine learning approach on this data set, and there is a brief description about AlphaEarth Foundation. Okay, is the only task agnostic learn EO featuring approach is outperform all featuring, something like that they have used for that. And evaluation in realistic data scare and scenarios, something like that. Thematic mapping. Okay, we group total number 11 classification. Okay, and embedding biophysical variables and what kind of data set is over there, like they have used LC map and LCAS and GLANC and Canada crop, something like that. And total number of sample size over there, maximal trial size and temporal cadence is annual and single, something like that. And you will find other thing like details quantitative and qualitative result from selected variables, how they used. Okay. And other thing is you can map change detection map using this AlphaEarth Foundation map. Okay, I will discuss details in within a few moments regarding how we use this data set. Okay, there is an each and everything others kind of information is available beneath the paper, like data and materials availability, which kind of data and materials they have used, different kind of sources is available like JAXA, NASA, C3S, ECMWF, like, and also there is a lot of data set they have used for this map creation. And there is a lot of other thing also as well, like a something like that. If you want to read, and if you want to learn more about AlphaEarth Foundation map, then you can read it. And then let's go to the like something like that. And if you want to learn more details, then go to the just Medium. Okay, Medium, and just simply type AlphaEarth Foundation. Okay, they have released it. Okay, AI powered pixel introducing Google satellite embedding dataset. Okay, over there you can find look at that, these things, 3D visualization process. You can easily use leaf map to create this kind of 3D visualization, like 3D visualization Earth Engine, new satellite embedding, dataset generated by Google DeepMind, new AlphaEarth Foundation model. Okay, this is the basic model. Okay, and other thing also available. How can you use like that? This thing. Okay, each and everything is available. And this is the visualization process. And let's talk about the uses. Okay, something like that. If you want to use like a crop mapping, so in this purpose you can use this AlphaEarth Foundation map, crop mapping, for now change detection map. Okay, also you can use for using AI to create the map. And other thing I have already visualized. This is the part of India, something like that. Okay, the latitude and longitude and similarity in embedding space. If you want to find out the similarity, then you can just need to write down Google Earth Engine apps, and then simply click over there. Suppose I am going to this portion, just simply click on that. Okay, it's loading, checking a click point and similarity layer. It's find out the similarity layer over there. Look at that. Latitude, longitude is over there, and still it's loading the whole Earth. Okay, it will take few moments. So the actual map is over there, look like that, and the point is over there. It's loading. Okay, this is the basic things. I'm going to use more details, something like that. Otherwise, and they have used different kind of code for visualizing the map actually. And also, if you want to learn how to use these things like that, unsupervised classification with satellite embedding datasets. Unsupervised means machine learning. Machine learning, unsupervised classification. They have used this map. How you use this map? Something like that. They have created a say a simple code how to use unsupervised classification. Like look at that selected region with cropland masking. If you want to use your study area for cropland masking, so for this purpose you can use this map. And all of these things otherwise extracted a random sample for clustering. Okay, so actual the classification is unsupervised classification. Created a crop map like that. This is the crop map, detected crop map with corn and soybean crops. Okay, look at that. The legend is the yellow color is showing the corn, and the green color is showing soybean crops. Okay, you can use this dataset for making the crop classification using unsupervised classification method. And then this is the this is the code they have developed. This is the code they have developed. Suppose this is for a small region they have created it. It's loading. So if I clicked like that, this thing on this is the crop classification map. If I check this one, GDL layer, don't okay. So this is the area they have created created satellite embedding data for crop mapping. Okay, and this is the supervised classification. Supervised classification with satellite embedding. So till now we have discussed the details about AlphaEarth Foundation map or satellite data, which kind of data set they have used. Okay, and unsupervised classification, and where you can find the details regarding AlphaEarth Foundation satellite embedding dataset. and supervised classification and unsupervised classification. This is the actually supervised classification with satellite embedding dataset. So if you want to select a region, look at that. There's a this is the basically sample code, okay, and collect a training like they have collect training for three areas like mangrove forest and water area and others, okay, and then they have run the model. Sorry. They have run the model and found this kind of maps, okay. And if you want to change the color or visualization method, then you can use which is available also in Google Earth Engine catalog option, okay. And regression with satellite embedding dataset you can also use for your regression analysis, okay. So this is the actually very interesting thing they have released. I'm going to till now I'm going to explore the AlphaEarth Foundation satellite embedding dataset, and when I'm explore much more, and then I will upload more videos, okay. Just as simply code I have explored for my training purpose, like that I have actually this is the area, okay, like a area. So area I have chosen east coast of India, okay, east coast of India, and then just satellite embedding dataset like a just you need to write down over there embedding, okay. Look at that, you will find satellite embedding, okay, and the dataset availability is from 2017, and this is the collection snippet and description is over there. I have already discussed with you, and the band number is available 64, and image properties, term of uses and citation, okay. And then just simply if you want to add the zoom level, then you can add. I'm not going to add these things, so that is why I'm using this option. And map dot center option, so I'm not going to use this thing. And choose AR. So in my case I'm using 2024, and the starting AR is 1 and ending AR is also 1, okay. And then the filter collection for selected data set, like a filter embedding and started, ended and bounded, which is area, okay. Which is area. And then just combine tiles, okay. So I'm going to combine all of these things at the same time, mosaic, okay. So I'm using only mosaic option. And then visualize sample embedding band, like a if you want to find, this is the A1 is red, this is the blue, and this is the green A9, okay. You have to find it using AlphaEarth Foundation band, okay. Which band is particular for red band, green band, blue band, there is a 64 band, okay. And then I'm just created an RGB composite, and then just simply visualize the model data over the area, this area east coast of India, and just simply click OK, okay. Just simply click OK, and then you will find these things, okay. You'll find this thing I have visualized for this area. For actually for this area it will take few moments because it's a large area and the pixel size is very small. Look at that, I'm basically visualize for this area, okay. So if I'm going to zoom over the South Indian part, Nagarcoil, so data set is look like that one, okay. Look at that, you'll find each and every details. Look at that, they have the actually 3D visualization. Look, over there is a hill we can see, so the area is look visualization is like a hill, okay. Look at that, okay. And each and everything is details, okay. So if I'm going to visualize any other area like um, river, Tirunelveli, okay. Look at that, The visualization is pretty good than any other maps. So so if I'm going to use for this area, okay, Vijayawada, zoom, look at that, the water, Krishna river, okay, the river portion is like a blue color, the actually watercolor is showing in blue color, okay, and then there's another part. You will find the 3D visualization, okay. So I have shown you in this particular area. So like if I'm going to this portion, like this is the basically hill forest area. Look at that. Okay, the terrain. You can simply visualize the terrain data set. It means elevation, a slope, something like that. Look at that. Okay, and if you want to find the band set like embedding image band, just click on that. You will find the band set. Look at 0 and there is a 63. 0 to 63 is total 64 band. Okay, so it's a very pretty good data set. Until now I'm exploring. So when I'm finishing my exploring, then I will upload another video for visualizing purpose. Actually, this is the basic code for satellite embedding dataset visualization. If you need this code, just message me, comment me. Okay, then I will share with you. So uh, please explore this data set for your research purpose or study purpose or any kind of purpose. Okay, so thank you very much.